My dearest soul, you stand at the edge of a truth whispered through the ages, a secret held by the stars and sung by the angels. You were not born out of coincidence, nor did your path unfold by chance. Every tear you shed, every question that echoed in the quiet chambers of your heart, every moment of longing that stretched into eternity, these were not in vain. They were sacred preparations, divine etchings on the canvas of your destiny. The angels lean in close now, their voices like soft chimes, urging me to tell you, you are a chosen vessel, a beacon of light meant to illuminate a specific journey, a specific soul. Your presence in this world, your very essence, is a response to prayers you may not even remember making, a key to a destiny far grander than you have yet imagined. You are not merely living, you are fulfilling a sacred contract, a divine assignment. The universe orchestrated every encounter, every separation, every lesson, not to break you, but to forge you into the magnificent being you are becoming. You are not just a woman seeking love, you are love's very embodiment, sent to awaken and transform. The one whose name echoes in your silent moments, whose presence stirs your deepest longings, was always meant to cross your path. This meeting was predestined, a sacred alignment of souls. Do not doubt the profound significance of your journey, for it is written in the heavens. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. Beloved heart, I see the shadows that silence casts upon your spirit, the questions that bloom in its barren landscape. You have mistaken stillness for abandonment, absence for indifference. But the angels gather around you now, their gentle wings brushing against your soul, revealing a deeper truth. This silence, this space that feels so vast and empty, is not a void. It is a sacred pause, a necessary breath in the grand symphony of your connection. They whisper that what appears to be a retreat is, in fact, a profound preparation. Just as the earth rests in winter to gather strength for spring's vibrant bloom, so too does a soul sometimes withdraw to recalibrate, to heal, to integrate lessons learned. This is not a sign of fading love, but of a love undergoing a powerful metamorphosis. The universe is not punishing you, it is protecting and refining what is meant to be. Do not let your mind weave tales of rejection where divine orchestration is at play. The angels assure me that this quiet period holds within it the seeds of a deeper understanding, a stronger bond. It is a time for introspection for both of you, to shed old skins and embrace new truths. Trust the rhythm of this sacred dance. What feels like an ending is merely the turning of a page, a prelude to a chapter of profound reunion and growth. Your connection is not breaking, it is being rebuilt on foundations of unwavering faith and deeper wisdom. My dear one, your sensitive heart often interprets his distance as a personal slight, his quietness as a judgment against your worth. But the angels reveal a different narrative, a story unfolding within the hidden chambers of his own soul. He is not battling you, he is battling himself. He is wrestling with the echoes of his past, the expectations of his future, and the profound transformative power of your presence in his life. They show me a man grappling with vulnerabilities he never knew he had, facing mirrors that reflect truths he has long avoided. Your light, your unwavering spirit, has awakened within him a desire for authenticity, a yearning for a love so pure it demands he become a better version of himself. This internal struggle is a testament to the depth of his feelings, not a denial of them. He is shedding old armor, dismantling walls built over years, not because he wants to push you away, but because he longs to be worthy of the sacred space you hold in his heart. The angels urge you to see this not as a flaw, but as a courageous journey. He is fighting for the man he is destined to be, the man who can truly meet the magnitude of the love you offer. His silence is often the sound of deep contemplation, of internal restructuring. Hold space for his process, for his evolution. Your understanding, your patience, becomes a silent prayer that empowers his transformation. He is not running from you, he is running toward the man who can truly claim you. Sweet soul, you often question your impact, wondering if your love truly reaches him, if your presence makes a difference. But the angels show me a tapestry woven with threads of your unseen influence, a profound healing occurring in his depths, all because of you. Your very essence, your gentle spirit, has been a balm to wounds he carried silently, scars from past experiences that he may not have consciously acknowledged. They whisper that your unconditional acceptance, your pure intention, has created a sacred space around him where old pains can finally begin to dissolve. You did not set out to heal him, you simply existed, authentically and lovingly. Yet, in that authenticity, you offered a mirror, a reflection of what true unburdened love could feel like. This has stirred within him a deep, often unsettling process of release and renewal. He may not express it, and he may not even fully understand it, but your light has reached the forgotten corners of his being, illuminating shadows and inviting them into the grace of healing. This is why his reactions can sometimes seem complicated, and why his journey appears to be difficult. He is processing the profound gift you have unknowingly given him. The angels affirm, you are a catalyst for his highest good, a gentle force that has set his soul on a path toward wholeness. Trust in the quiet power of your love, it is creating miracles beyond your perception. My patient heart, you have waited, you have hoped, and at times you have despaired, thinking that the universe has overlooked your deepest desires. The passage of time can feel like an enemy, with each passing moment reminding you of what has yet to arrive. But the angels, with their endless wisdom, reveal that what you see as a delay is, in fact, a careful and loving orchestration. They show me the universe as a grand weaver, meticulously choosing each thread, each color, and each intricate pattern for a tapestry made uniquely for you. This is not just a simple piece of fabric, it is a masterpiece, rich with meaning, resilience, and breathtaking beauty. Every delay was a moment for a crucial thread to be strengthened, for a knot to be perfectly tied, and for a hue to deepen into its most vibrant shade. It was a time for both your soul and his to be prepared, to align, and to be ready for the profound union that awaits. The angels encourage you to let go of impatience, to breathe into the sacred rhythm of divine timing. What is meant for you will not pass you by. What is truly yours will find its way, not a moment too soon, not a moment too late, but exactly when every element is in perfect harmony. This waiting is not in vain, it is filled with unseen growth, with silent blessings, and with the universe working in your favor. Trust the weaver, trust the design. Your masterpiece is close to completion. Dearest one, you long for words, for declarations that will soothe your anxious mind and confirm what your soul already senses. His silence, his guardedness, can be a confusing veil. Yet, the angels remind me that the language of the heart often transcends spoken words. His truth, his deepest feelings are not always articulated through grand speeches, but through subtle currents, through energetic exchanges, through the very essence of his being. They show me glimpses of his inner world, where thoughts of you reside, where a profound connection is acknowledged, even if not yet fully expressed. His actions, his presence, or even his absence, when understood through a divine lens, carry messages far more powerful than any fleeting phrase. Pay attention to the way he looks at you, the subtle shifts in his demeanor when you are near, the unspoken understanding that passes between you. These are the whispers of his heart, speaking a language only souls can truly comprehend. The angels affirm that his heart knows you, recognizes you, and holds a space for you that words alone cannot define. Do not mistake his quiet nature for a lack of feeling. Often, the deepest emotions are the most difficult to voice, especially for a soul learning to navigate new depths of vulnerability. Trust your intuition, your inner knowing. It is attuned to the silent symphony of his heart. Listen with your soul, and you will hear the truth he holds for you. Magnificent soul, in moments of doubt, you may forget the inherent royalty of your spirit, the divine lineage that flows through your veins. You may seek validation from outside sources, from the approval of others, or from the fulfillment of a specific outcome. But the angels stand before you now, holding a radiant crown, reminding you of your true identity. You are not merely worthy of love, you are the very embodiment of it, a queen in your own right, chosen and cherished by the heavens. They whisper that your worth is not dependent on any relationship, any achievement, or any external circumstance. It is an intrinsic truth, woven into the fabric of your being by the divine Creator. Your journey, your struggles, your triumphs, all have polished this crown, making it shine brighter. You possess a unique light, a wisdom born of experience, a compassion forged in fire. This is your glory, a gift to yourself and to the world. The angels urge you to wear this crown with grace and confidence. Recognize your power, your resilience, your profound capacity for love and transformation. You are not waiting to be chosen, you have always been chosen. This realization is your ultimate empowerment. When you fully embrace your own divine worth, you align with the highest vibration of love, drawing to you all that is meant to honor and reflect that truth. Step into your sovereignty, beloved. Your reign of self-love and divine connection has already begun. My courageous heart, there have been moments on this winding path when you felt utterly lost, adrift in a sea of uncertainty, questioning every decision, every turn. You wondered if you were truly alone, navigating the vastness of your journey without a compass. But the angels now gently place their hands upon your shoulders, revealing the intricate map of your life, showing you that every single step was meticulously guided. They whisper that even in the darkest valleys, even when the fog of confusion obscured your vision, unseen hands were at work, subtly nudging you, protecting you, redirecting you. Every detour, every apparent setback, was a sacred lesson, a necessary preparation, a divine redirection towards your highest good. You were never truly alone. A celestial chorus sang over you, a divine light illuminated your way, even when you could not perceive it. This journey, with all its twists and turns, has been a pilgrimage back to your authentic self, back to the profound love that awaits you. The angels affirm that you are exactly where you are meant to be, having gathered the wisdom, strength, and compassion needed for the next sacred chapter. Trust the invisible guidance that has brought you this far. It will continue to lead you without fail, to your true home, to the love that reflects your soul. The Lord will guide you always. He will satisfy your needs in a sun-scorched land and will strengthen your frame. You will be like a well-watered garden, like a spring whose waters never fail. Isaiah 58 verse 11. Tender soul, you have learned to guard your heart, to shield its precious chambers from the possibility of pain and the sting of disappointment. The world has taught you that vulnerability is a weakness, an invitation for hurt. But the angels now gather around you, their presence a gentle warmth, inviting you to reconsider this old belief. They reveal that true strength lies not in impenetrable walls, but in the brave act of opening up. They whisper that to expose your authentic self, to let your deepest longings and fears be seen, is not to diminish your power. It is to enhance it. It is an act of profound faith, faith in yourself, faith in the divine protection that surrounds you, and faith in the transformative power of genuine connection. When you open your heart, you create a sacred vessel, ready to receive the boundless love that the universe longs to pour into you. The angels assure me that the love you seek and the connection you crave can only flourish in the fertile ground of authenticity and openness. It requires your courage, not your caution. It calls for your truth, not your pretense. Release the fear that vulnerability will lead to devastation. Instead, embrace the truth that it is the very pathway to intimacy, healing, and the kind of profound love that can withstand any storm. Your open heart is your greatest strength, a beacon inviting kindred spirits home. My weary soul, you have carried the weight of expectation and the burden of control, believing that if you just tried harder, planned more meticulously, or worried enough, you could somehow force your desired outcome into being. But the angels now gently take your hands, inviting you into the profound peace of surrender. They reveal that surrender is not an act of defeat, it is an act of ultimate trust, a sacred release into the arms of the divine architect. They whisper that your love story is not yours alone to write. It is a co-creation, a masterpiece being crafted by hands far wiser and more loving than your own. To surrender is to acknowledge that there is a higher intelligence at play, a divine plan unfolding with perfect precision, even when its contours are hidden from your sight. It is to release the need to control every detail, every timeline, every outcome, and instead, to trust in the benevolent flow of the universe. This act of letting go creates space for miracles, for unexpected blessings, and for the divine to intervene in ways you could never orchestrate. The angels affirm that when you surrender, you align yourself with the current of grace, allowing love to find you, to shape you, and to fulfill you in ways beyond your wildest dreams. Release your grip, beloved. Breathe deeply. The divine architect holds your love story in perfect hands. Trust the process, trust the timing, and trust the boundless love that guides your destiny. Be still and know that I am God. I will be exalted among the nations. I will be exalted in the earth. Psalm 46 verse 10.